Hi, buddy.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Ready for an adjustment?
Yeah.
No.
I've been one for a long time.
All right. Well, let's help you out here, man. Let's see here. Let's have you take a breath in and all the way out. Good. Good. One more. Good. And now, let's get you to face me this way, on your side. There you go. Good job right there. Now take a breath in and all the way out. Good. And we're going to face this other side now. There you go, dude. Let's get that leg there and all the way out again. Good. And now on your back. Let's have your arms right up here. Yep. Good. And now just nice and relaxed here. And relax your head. Good.